In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add subitems in Wrike. To get started, the first thing you need to do is log into your Wrike account. This is your gateway to organizing tasks, projects, and all things collaborative. Once you're in, head over to the appropriate project or folder where you want to add a subitem. This could be a project you're already managing or a folder containing several tasks that need to be further broken down into smaller, manageable parts. Now, let's open the main task. To do this, click on the task title. This action will bring you into the detailed task view. Once there, you'll notice several sections laid out for you. You'll see options like description, assignees, due date, and importantly, subtasks or subitems. These sections help you manage the specifics of each task, from who is responsible for what to the timeframes for each part. Now that you're inside the task, the next step is to add a subitem, which is often referred to as a subtask. Look for the section that mentions subtasks or subitems and click on it. This is where the organization magic happens. By breaking down tasks into subitems, you can assign more precise responsibilities or deadlines. It's a great way to ensure every detail of your project gets the focus it needs without overwhelming any single task with too much complexity. Once you've clicked to add a subitem, it's time to edit its details. Enter a title for your subitem that clearly summarizes the task. This will help anyone involved to quickly grasp what the subitem involves. Don't forget to fill in additional details like assignees, due dates, and any specific instructions or descriptions needed to complete the subitem efficiently. Remember, clarity is key in collaborative environments. Lastly, after setting up your subitems, it's crucial to manage and track them regularly. Wrike offers handy features to help you see the progress of each subitem directly from your dashboard. Make sure to keep an eye on these to ensure everything is on track. And any issues can be addressed promptly. Tracking progress not only keeps you informed, but also motivates your team by showing tangible progress in their tasks. By consistently applying these steps within Wrike, adding and managing subitems will become a breeze, significantly improving how you handle projects. This solid grasp on subitem use within tasks ensures nothing slips through the cracks and helps keep your projects organized and your teams productive. Happy tasking, and see you in the next video!